Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Okta Verify to a new phone. So if you've upgraded your device and want to keep using Okta Verify, then just follow along. First, install Okta Verify from the App Store on your new phone. And if you still have access to your old phone, open Okta Verify and check whether organization allows account transfer. Many organizations require you to reactivate Okta Verify rather than transferring it directly. Next, sign into your company's Okta portal using a web browser. Then go to your account settings or security methods and select the option to set up or re-enroll Okta Verify. A new QR code will usually appear. Then on your new phone, open Okta Verify, tap Add Account and scan the QR code. After the account has been activated successfully, test a login to make sure everything is working. And if you no longer have your old phone or can't sign into the Okta portal, you need to contact your company's IT administrators so they can reset your multi-factor authentication and issue a new activation. So that was how to transfer Okta Verify to a new phone. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.